This mini Q9 dashcam video demonstrates the parking mode feature. There are three options: off, normal, and time-lapse. We'll cover time-lapse right now. Selecting it from the menu, pressing the OK button to save, and then press and hold your up button to exit the menu. Once you turn off the ignition of your car, it will take 1 minute to activate. The first thing you'll note is the GPS accessory will power off, and then you will finally see the enter time-lapse record message. From here, your dash cam will seem to be off other than a 3-second blinking red LED. The clips recorded will be saved on your micro SD card under the normal folder, along with all your driving clips. The time-lapse we're doing is for a 55-minute real-time video reduced to 1 minute and 50 seconds of 1 frame per second continuous recording. There is no audio recorded during this time. When you turn your ignition back on, that will cancel the time-lapse. Go back into your parking mode, and this time we're going to set the normal mode. These clips are not saved in the normal folder with your other drive clips. Only the ignition off 1 minute clip is shown. Instead, the normal recording uses the G sensor, and when that is triggered, it saves in the event folder. And these clips are 55 seconds in length and are actually 30 frames per second normal video recording with audio. Here we have a scene where you would think the woman walking by has triggered the normal mode, but there is no motion detection. It is G sensor only. This clip was generated because that shopping cart hit the left front fender of my vehicle. It wasn't a hard impact, but it was enough to be recorded as a G sensor event. However, if you go back and replay this clip, you'll note you don't actually see the shopping cart move. You only see after it has hit, meaning there is no buffer recording in normal mode. It is strictly a G sensor after the event. So you miss about 3 seconds worth of video capture. The next clip was that individual actually bumped the vehicle. But when you saw that person in the white pants walking by, they were not actually beside the vehicle. They had already gone some distance. Again, that is because there is no buffered recording for G-sensor events. You always miss the first 3 seconds. The benefit of using the G-sensor or normal recording mode is it doesn't continuously record and fill your memory card. It only records for an impact. Because of that, you miss anything else in the scene that you might want recorded. Thank you for watching.